Welcome, explorers. Get ready to dive into the heart of Wayanad. Today, we're unlocking two of its most breathtaking secrets: the majestic Kanthanpara Waterfall and the rugged adventure of 900 Kandi. We'll start our journey with the legendary 900 Kandi. But a crucial heads up before we begin. The journey to 900 Kandi is a serious off-road challenge. This drive is not for the faint of heart. It's an absolute adrenaline rush for the adventurous. But for others, it can be a nightmare. Safety first. I strongly advise against this drive for senior citizens, pregnant individuals, or anyone with pre-existing back issues. Now, enough talk. Get a quick look at the road trip ahead. Crank up the music and enjoy the ride. Minor aches aside, reach ING 900 Kandi was absolutely worth every bump. The payoff? Check out the view from this glass bridge.
Activity. I'm a little worried, but he's very confident. You're very excited? Okay. I'll go and take photo from there, okay? Horizontal, that side.
With our adventure fix satisfied from the bridge, the rope course, and the zipline, we transitioned to a different kind of beauty, Kanthanpara Waterfall. We chose Kanthanpara specifically for its simple, non-strenuous path. The irony, leaving 900 Kandi still required another run on that bone-rattling off-road descent. Finally, we arrived at the peaceful Kanthanpara Waterfall. We simply soaked in the beauty and the serene sound of the water. Now, enjoy the final moments of the Kanthanpara video, which brings our journey to a close. If you loved this adventure, please hit that subscribe button. It helps us bring you more amazing content. And don't forget to share this video with friends and family to help them plan their trip and know the do's and don'ts of these beautiful spots.